image right there, but it's just paint. So what we're gonna do is put some ink detergent on it, and it'll come right off. We scrub it on both sides. Were you able to see the ghost image?
Yeah.
Okay. Quick little scrub, both sides. It should come right off. Noticed, ghost image gone. That's how you clean them. Last step is just to put some ink degreaser, but that's simple. All I have is I let the emulsion remover sit for about 2 minutes at the most, and look how easy it comes off. I don't know if you can see the ghost image right there. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Right in here. I'll put in a little bit ink detergent. Scrub it on both sides. If you notice, it already came off without even rinsing it. And the ghost image is gone. Simple as that. That's it. Cute.
Cool.